How to manage help improve Chrome's features on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage help improve Chrome's features on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click this one, these 3 points here on the top corner, and then click settings, and now click this one, Google services, and then all you need to do just find this one, help improve Chrome's features and performance. Just click on it. If you want to turn it off, and click on it again, and if you want to turn it on, of course. And that's it, it's easy. And don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.